welcome to Fermin, which is this beautiful little restaurant in the middle of Paris. We love that you've been on this journey with us. We are at number 26 of the Capsule wardrobe, and that is the second of the 3 essentials for your Capsule wardrobe, which is the formal day bag. Very, very simple concept. The formal day bag is a more beautiful, more elegant version of the tote. It's typically smaller. I'll tell you what I have as mine. I have a beautiful Dune red day bag that went on sale twice in London, and it's something that you can carry on your arm, something that you can carry. It's got a lot of space in it, but what it's for is to dress up an outfit. So whether you're going to a wedding, you can use a formal day bag or a clutch, but it's very, very appropriate for a wedding, for a graduation, for a date night if you don't want to carry a clutch around. But the formal day bag is something just a little bit more beautiful, a little bit more special than the tote, and that is at number 26 and the second of the 3 essential bags that you need for your Capsule wardrobe.